mutsi!
Mennään rypälöimään matikan opettajaa.
Okei, toi on joku video.
Big dick.
Koska mä en oo ikinä tullut tota.
5 läpäistä täältä.
Okei.
Go big dick.
I'm a closeted homosexual. Please läpäistään tää.
Mä saan rikossyytteen ja sä tulet ulos kaapista.
Niin mulle positiivinen juttu, sulle negatiivinen juttu. Tai voi olla mullekin negatiivinen juttu.
Uh-oh.
Met the nigga last night. Then I rode his dick like a bike. He's so sick, he looks like the guy, but that's okay, cause I think his name's Mike Jordan. He's fucking on recording. He sent me butt pics this morning. Hands down the greatest news I've received. I love when I receive the big C. Three big balls. Look like we playing tennis. He got a big dick, I think his name Dennis. I jerked his dick so that nigga can finish. And his dick nigga green, it tastes just like spinach. Dude. I love when they send me off the news. I had to make him nut cause his balls were blue. He didn't have a clue. He sliding in and out my ass like a screaming out gutter. Saw his dick swinging up in the motherfucking hallway. He like me and my friends cause we're all gay. He like dick, and I like his ass cause he's fit. Hey, he don't fuck my butt till I dick and his dick is dropped on. Four big guys. And they bust on my eyes. They eat my ass just like apple pie. If they keep fucking me like this, I might just die. They find my booty till I cry. He licked my dick and the cum started dripping. Took about his ass and tasted lemon pepper chicken. He throw me up in the air, my booty flipping. He ducking and bumping my booty like he started sipping. Met the nigga last night. Then I rode his dick like a bike. He's so sick, he looks like the dyke, but that's okay, cause I think his name's Mike Jordan.
Yes! Yes!
Tuo!
Yes!
Let's go!
Let's fucking go!
Ai niin, tää oli se Atti muuten.
Yes!
Tää oli se.
Finally! Finally!
Tää oli se Atti.
Tää oli se Atti, vittu läpäistiin tää vihdoinkin, vittu, musta tuntuu niin hyvältä. Tää tuntuu yhtä hyvältä kuin läpäistä rustiin. Ai vittu, let's go! Kaiken ton jälkeen.